the STILL shop, where you can purchase a range of warehouse and industrial products quickly and easily from your computer or smart device. From light-range trucks, attachments, to battery filling and warehouse maintenance. We've got you covered with free UK delivery on outright purchases and non-rental orders. Find the STILL shop via your web browser and either search for what you need or browse our product categories. You can make a purchase directly through the website. Once you've found the product you need, add it to your basket and go straight to checkout. Check out as a guest or register with the STILL shop to make future orders even easier. Registering also lets you order against your existing STILL customer account, if you have one. We also offer a wide range of payment methods. Once your order is placed, we'll prepare your products and organise dispatch as soon as we can. If products ordered have different lead times, we'll deliver them separately to ensure that you receive each item as quickly as possible. And for purchases or non-rental orders, UK delivery is free of charge. At STILL, we've earned a reputation for outstanding product quality and service. Purchasing from the STILL shop, you can rest assured that our products are built to market-leading standards and that knowledgeable professional support is on hand. If you need any advice finding or identifying the best product for your needs, or if you have any questions about your order, we're here to support you. Simply contact us on the STILL shop via our online query form, email or telephone.